Hey, are you guys like me? And sometimes your husband brings home a loaf of bread from a company he used to own, a bakery, and it's good, but you can't finish it. And you're like, man, that was like $6 for that rustic piece, and we don't have a piece of the company, so we're not making any more money on it anyway. So you want to do something with it. Well, here's what you can do. You can make bread pudding. Now, my previously mentioned eggplant and tomatoes, those are looking great. That'll be part of dinner tonight. And then what are we going to do for dinner? The oven is hot. I want to use it. So I've chopped up the bread. I've also chopped up some banana, which also goes bad, you know, and so put some banana in. I'm leaving this part without bananas because my daughter hates bananas, go figure. She also hates the taste of cinnamon. And then, so I did a whole bread milk mixture in my first take, which I actually forgot to film, so that was a lot of fun. But I decided to need a little more milk. So it's the kind of thing where, yeah, you could measure, sure, you could do that kind of measuring thing, but I find it's just better if you just kind of eyeball it, you know. And there you go. We're gonna cook it up and we'll see how it tastes. And if it's not good, it's okay. I'll leave it in the teacher's lounge. There's also, of course, eggs and sugar, probably about 4 eggs, quarter cup of sugar, and put foil over it right before you put it in the oven.